Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 1 and the topic the age of adolescence, introduction, the subtopic. Let us discuss that a one by one question here. The first question, what is adolescent age? So we'll write that adolescent age which is between childhood and adulthood. And we can consider that the age between that of 10 to 19 years age, 19 years, we can say that it is a adolescent age. Let us go for that of next question. The next question is here, how is the adolescence is different from the childhood? So we'll see that because of some hormonal there will be changes in the body. Those changes in the adolescence period, as we can say that voice will be changed, and we can say that sweat and pimples, where we can find that the body development in the sense as growth and all, and maturity of the sex organs, where we can find that in boys mustache, development of this mustache and all. So these are some of the changes which we cannot see that in the childhood age. So will we go for that of next question. The next question is, who do grow faster? How can you say that girls will grow faster, where how can you say that when the girl reaches that of 18 years age, she'll be reaches that of 88% of height, maximum height. So where we cannot see that in the boys, where itself 81% we can see, and the growth period is very faster, earlier stages of this the girls, especially in the girls. So when they reaches that, they reach 18 years, will we see that 88% of height, maximum height, where we cannot see that in the boys. So in boys, whereas in the boys 81% we can see that height especially. So maximum height will be grow as here at the time of that 18 years. So the girls will be grow very faster. So let us go for that of next. The next one is differentiate that a puberty from the adolescence. So the puberty, it is onset of the childhood and adolescence. Adolescence, as at this stages, as we can see many changes because of that hormones, where the adolescence, where we can say that from the puberty to till that adulthood. So where we can see that puberty, which is nothing but here onset of from the childhood to that of adolescent period. The puberty stages, which is because of that hormones, we will see that some of the physical changes and physiological changes also, where this adolescent period, as we can say that from puberty age to, means here in the puberty stage, it just starts with the of all the secondary sexual characters development, where we can find that from this puberty to the top till the adolescent age till that of adulthood, we can say that it is called as adolescence. So as now you can clear with the top of puberty is from the childhood of between the period of that the childhood and the adolescence period. So where it can be shows that a development of secondary sexual characters, and the adolescence is from puberty to that of till adulthood. So hope you understand this. That's all for this assignment. Thank you.